Boundaries. We all have them, and they're most often challenged during the holidays. So I thought, what better topic than boundaries for Mindful Monday? Hi, everybody. I'm Indy Lee, if you're new here. And today I just wanted to come on and talk a little bit about boundaries, setting them, and honoring yours. I mean, like I said, they're often challenged during the holidays, and boundaries can look like a lot of different things for different people. Yes, it can be physical boundaries, like you're getting too close. Probably wasn't my best look, but it could also look like I draw the line here. You've crossed the line, and things that people say, things that people ask you to do. And I think, actually, I know this holiday season is probably no exception. Right now, we're all challenged. We're all stressed with the pandemic and everything going on with it. And so often people are feeling stressed about, do I say yes to an invitation? Do I feel comfortable with this? I need to heed what the CDC is saying. And by the way, I'm not getting on here to tell you how you what you should and shouldn't do, but I actually am when it comes to honoring yourself. We all establish boundaries of what we feel comfortable with internally, and oftentimes we are willing to forego that for other people's comfort. And then what does that look like? Stress, anger, resentment, and there's no need if we just simply set the boundaries and honor the ones that we set. And how do I set them? How do we know if it's the right boundary? Well, you actually have a really good internal compass if you didn't realize it. There's this little tool that you have called your gut. Your gut often tells you when someone's crossed that line. You're not feeling good, you get angry, you're feeling irritated, perhaps you have anxiety. All these are great signs of when someone or something has crossed that boundary for you. And like I said, I'm not here to play judge or jury of what's right for everybody, but what I am here is to help empower you to be mindful of when people are crossing it, and that it is okay to say, you've crossed it. It is no longer acceptable. I am no longer comfortable with this. You need to do what's best for you. Your mental, physical, spiritual health is important. And you should always feel comfortable advocating and prioritizing yourself. That is not selfish. That is self-care. So again, just something wanted to come on. I know a lot of people are feeling pressured and guilted about what they do and how they handle themselves during the holidays in terms of visiting people. There's so many ways to stay connected. I personally am going to be doing Zooms galore. I'm not seeing my son for the holidays because it's not the right healthy thing to do right now, and I'll have plenty of other holidays. And nor am I forcing him to get on a plane because that's not something he feels comfortable with. And I think it's important that we recognize and honor that other people might have different boundaries than what we have. And that's okay. That's what makes us all different. So, guys, have a phenomenal Thanksgiving, however you are celebrating it. I wish you nothing but happiness and health as we go into the holiday season, although I think you know that I always wish you happiness and health. But hopefully you are going to have some downtime, some times to nourish yourself. Take a few days as we go into the holiday weekend and do something that fills your cup with joy. Have a great Thanksgiving. Sending love to you all.